for food. Puppy, yeah, puppy.
See, he says it here and there perfectly.
He does.
Give it to puppy. So yeah, catch.
Are you feeding your puppy by throwing it at her? Puppy, yeah.
Throw it to puppy. Give it to puppy. Puppy, get on the couch.
Why'd you get off the couch, puppy?
Go get it, Fifi.
Go get it. He threw it on the couch, puppy. Go get it. Show her where it's at, Hunter. Show her where it's at.
It's on your head, but the pillow slid down. Get up there, go get it.
Go get it. He's got it.
Hey, end of catch. How do you get down? Give puppy food. That's where you throw it to. Catch. How do you get down? No.
He's down.